Did you know your iPhone can actually be used as a second or even third monitor for your computer? Yep, no extra monitor needed. In this video, I will show you exactly how to turn your iPhone into an external display for your Windows or Mac step by step. It is perfect for multitasking, video editing, or keeping an eye on your notes while working. Without wasting much of your time, let's get right into it. So first of all, let's go to the App Store and download this app, Glide S. So you search for Glide S. Yes, so this particular app, Glide S. So as you can see, I've already downloaded my own, so there's no need for me to download it again. And now let's go to our computer and also download the Glide S application. Type Glide X exe. That's Glide S extension. So the first one, you choose the first link. Yes, as you can see, so this is the Glide X. And on the computer too, I've already installed the Glide X application on it. It's very easy to install, so you just download the extension and you follow the process, you install it. So after installing it, what you need now is either you connect both the iPhone and your computer all into one network. That's either a local area network, or if you have a Wi-Fi, any other thing, or you can share your hotspot with your computer or any other thing. And you can also use USB cable as well. It also works faster. So this is my USB cable. This is my USB cable, and I'm going to connect it to my iPhone. I've connected it to my iPhone. Now head on to the Glide X application on your phone. So as you can see, this is the Glide X application. So open it. Now open the Glide S application on your computer as well. So this is the interface of the Glide X application. So with this application, it is not only for monitor extension or your screen extension, but you can also use it for webcam. You can use it to transfer files and many other things, remote access, app streaming, and a whole lot of stuff. But today's tutorial is on extending our screen display to our iPhone, or using our iPhone as our second or third monitor. So after opening the application like this, what you have to do is you come here on your computer and make it big. On your computer, you come here, cross device operation. So as you can see, we have first one, mirror. We have extend, and when you come to the extend, this is where you use your mobile phone as a secondary display. So we are going to choose the second option, that's the extend. So because I'm using USB and I've connected it to my iPhone, you can see for now the name of my mobile phone is shown here. So you click on the USB. Now look at what's coming to happen to my phone screen. Good. As you can see, my mobile phone has turned into a secondary monitor or a second screen. So now because I'm using a laptop, look at the mouse here. So the laptop screen become the first screen or the first monitor, and this is my secondary monitor. So the iPhone has become my third monitor or the third screen as well. So for you to believe that it is working, let's see, let's drag the application into my third screen. So this is the first screen. As you can see, this is the first screen, the second screen. Now look on the phone. Good. As you can see, this is what the third screen. So you can do anything. You can refresh here, you can enlarge it. Yes, you can drag it, you can bring it back to the second screen and then to the first screen. So this is my third screen now. Yes, so you can open any folder, can open multiple folders. Good. As you can see, yes, as you can see, my third screen. Yeah, you can open application, you can play videos here and many other things.
And that is it. You've just turned your iPhone into a fully functioning second or third monitor for your computer. Simple, right? This trick is a total game changer for productivity, editing, and multitasking. If you find this helpful, hit that like button and subscribe to TechGen Avenue for more awesome iPhone tips, tech tricks, and cool apps tools every week. Drop a comment if you want me to try this setup with an iPad next. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.